pain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one in that dead, the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in that dead, the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted to stop home, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, Weezy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the six, but there's no need to dress up the numbers, ayy. Hey, yeah, but I guess they must have their reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay?
Young nigga poppin' with a pocket full of cottage. Hey. Whoa, chemo, stopping, chopper, aiming at your noggin. Hey. Had to cut the audit, then the top, I had to chop it. Niggas pocket watching, so I gotta keep the rocket.
Mama told me not to sell word. Mama 17.5.
Yeah, Sanbona, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome to the party. And if you are returning, thank you for coming back. I hope you are still having a great time here. So as you can see from the title of the video, this is a Sunday reset. To be honest with you guys, Benga's Nogutsini Sunday reset until recently. And my interpretation of it is that when there's man, you do polling things so that you can get rid of the Sunday sads and I guess prepare for the week ahead. And like I said last week, one of the best ways for me to do that is to go hiking. So I am going hiking again this week. I'm going with my aunt today. Shame she's been waiting for me for so long, you guys. I literally woke up at like something to 12 in the evening. Is it evening? I woke up around midnight and I hadn't been able to fall asleep until like 5:30. So I woke up a bit later than I was supposed to, and we're running a bit late, but I can't do it because it's not timed. Like, it's totally detention. Do you know what I mean? I'm not sure which nature reserve we're going to because there are two that we were looking at, but she's gonna tell me which one it is when I get to her house. So yeah, please do stick around and let's see what happens. Let's see how the day unfolds. Do stick around and watch the whole video. I said it. Watch the whole video. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like the video and comment on the video. Like, a lot of people are commenting in my DMs and stuff. Commentani nina my rights. Commentani la. Don't be DM me telling me how funny you think I am. Commenta on my rights. Okay, enough talking. Let's get to it. Let's be about it.
Mama told me not to sell word. Mama 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to sell word. Mama told you 17.5, same color t-shirt. 1995, 2005. Seen it with my eyes. Dope still alive. Real mob ties. Real frog eyes. Real whole pies. All time high. Do it for the culture. They gon' bite like vultures. Way back when I was trapping, not Toyotas.
Sabe chopper, aiming at your noggin. Yeah. Had to cut the out it, then the top I had to chop it. Niggas pocket watching, so I gotta keep the rocket.
Mama told me not to sell word. Mama 17, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to sell word. Mama 17, same color t-shirt. Mama told you.
I boom. Yo. I don't know why my hair's like this. Anyway, guys. As you might have seen, we're at the Suikerbosrand Nature Reserve. I've never been here before. We've never been here before. I didn't even know this place existed until a couple of days ago when I was Googling it. So yeah, we're about to get started. I'm actually here to get, oh, so cute. I'm here to get my water. We're about to get started. So this place you pay to enter, which was ghetto. Because you don't pay at Suikerbosrand, which is ghetto, but it's fine. So it's 45 rand per adult, and then it's 35 rand for your car. So yeah, we're about to go find where the trail starts and stuff. Boom. Okay, so I'm waiting for my aunt. She's just gone to the loo. I figured I'll just tell you a bit more about like what I've seen here so far. So we tried to scam me. It was mostly me. Tried to scam them out of making us pay for parking by suggesting that we park by the gates and then walk into the trails. But the lady was like, that is not advisable because the trails are a bit far from the gate, which is really true. I think we drove like an extra 5 kilometers within the nature reserve before we got to here, which is where we're parked and at the office where we paid and stuff like that. So that was unexpected, but so, whatever. Here are the 2 routes. I think we're gonna take this one here because it's longer. The cheetah trail is only 4 kilometers according to the guide, and at least the top one is like 11, I think. So yeah, that's the one we're gonna take.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, the one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time.
Manje siyaphi? Siyalapho. Abumnyama nje. Hamba ke. Bambe, ngibambe ngesandla.
Girl, you all that I see, and I am who I am, and I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. You can have all the space, more than you need. There's no pressure. If you got time to waste it with me. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless. Yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, more than you need.
Guys, look at that lady. She left me. I'm just a baby. Voila! Never. Yeah, bro. Poco poco. Ama poco poco. Why vela ngagijima? Hey, sa! Usho ukuthi asike Cape Town. I feel like it's a Cape Town. Kunini samba?
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. This is hurting. Trying to make sense of little change. Got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of away. He was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. On the wall, I wave all my favorites. Still wanna try, still believe me. Good days, always inside. Good. I disappeared if you leave me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like nobody lost this shit. Gotta hold my cross to be alone. Ooh, way to kill the mood. No, you like that shit. Ooh, baby, baby, heavy on my empty mind, shit. gotta keep the motion first to me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me on your big, you're wrong, yeah. Trying to read the new sense, it's just urgent. Makes such a little chance of me a war in my mind. Let go, he was holding me. Choose right, but it will bring up in front of me. Oh, but we both feel it. Still wanna try, still believe it. But then, surely inside, good in my mind. Gotta get right, trying to free my mind before the end of the world. I don't miss no ex, I don't miss no text. They choose not to respond. I don't regret, just pretend it should never happen. Half of us laying in place that our youth is in the present. Half of us chasing fountains of youth and it's in the present now.
Yeah, Sanbona, hot girl doing hot girl things here. I'm back home. I think it's about 2 o'clock-ish, if I'm not mistaken. Got home a bit ago, a while ago. We finished the hike. I think it was at about 1:30 or something like that. It was so intense, you guys. Like, if you've watched my previous vlog, is it the previous one? Or the one before that, the catering vlog. If you've watched that, you will notice that my aunt's always like making jokes. Every time we're around her, we're always making jokes, always laughing and stuff. And that was the vibe at the beginning of the hike. Once we hit the 7 kilometer mark, which is where my phone died, we didn't even talk. Like, akekho obelindo munye, akekho bebuzo munye. Like, we were just crawling. It was so brutal. Like, it was incredibly brutal, but it was a lovely challenge. And then yeah, we reached the end. The last sort of kilometer or two is decent, but so we did 10Ks before I get anywhere. We did 10Ks. It was actually 11.5, but my phone recorded 10 because my workout paused. So the first, I'd say, 4 kilometers, yeah, the first 4 kilometers, pleasant. From like kilometer 4 to kilometer 8, yes, sis. Now we knew I love her, guys. And also, what's worse is that like they'd burned the grass around that area, so like breathing was really difficult. But eventually, yeah, we finished it. I feel bushed. Like, I feel like my lower body is going to fall off. Like, I'm just going to die at the lower body. But it was really great. It was an awesome hike. I'm probably not going back there anytime soon. Maybe I'll go back there next month or like the month after, but like I'm not going back there next week or anything like that, because I wanna like I wanna go to other hiking spots and get my endurance up before I go back there, because yo, it was brutal. Compared to the one I went to last week, I would say that if you're looking for something that's challenging, then Suikerbosrand is definitely a better option than Kliprefir. If you're looking for something very user-friendly, I'd say, like, it's very user-friendly. There's different trails, so if you feel the one you're on is difficult, you can just switch to another one, or if you're bored of it, you'll switch to another one. Whereas with that one, like, you were stuck when, like I said, at the 7 kilometer mark, that's when we both realized, like, what the fuck did we get ourselves into? But it was too late. Like, there was no left, there was no right, there was no back. It was just keep going. That's the only option we had. But it was really pleasant. I'd definitely do it again. Not anytime soon, but I'd do it again. So the plan was that when I get back, I'm gonna take a bath and then bring you guys along as I choose outfits for the week. But I'm bushed, Oaks, so I think I'm gonna take a bubble bath and take a nap, and then we'll do the outfits when I wake up from my nap. Boom. So, Kesubuyile, we had load shedding from 6. It's around 8ish now, and look, it's under Buya. So, I decided to do the last part of my Sunday resets, which is picking outfits for tomorrow. Well, not for tomorrow, for the week that we're going into. So, normally when I do that, I look at the weather first. That's just the one thing, the biggest thing that guides what I wear, obviously. I'm so tired, guys. I ended up not taking that nap because when we got load shed, I just chilled with my family and we were making a noise, which is what we do every day. So I ended up not sleeping. Let's see the weather. Yo, 18 tomorrow, 19 Tuesday, 18 Wednesday, 19 Thursday. Friday is the warmest day this week, but I don't go to the office on Fridays, so that sucks for me because I would have loved to wear some open shoes. So tomorrow and Wednesday are the coldest days this week. Okay, cool. I've already got the outfit for Wednesday in my mind, right? Because on Wednesdays we wear pink. I don't make the rules, Regina George does. So I'm just gonna do all black and then a light pink coat that is so creased it needs steaming. So I need to get that steamed before Wednesday. Cool. So Wednesday outfit is sorted. Monday cold, Tuesday, Thursday warmish. All right, cool. Let's see what I come up with.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. matter what I play, right or not, I'm talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels that I got you to know. We'll never fall out of love.
Okay, guys, so yeah, that was me putting my outfits together. I was on the phone with my bestie and a Tessie Senzo, and yeah, I definitely had to mute that because you guys could not hear the stuff we were talking about. But those are essentially the outfits that I'm going to be wearing throughout this week. Subject to change, okay, thanks to the weather or the vibes or whatever. But as far as I know, that's really how I'm going to dress. I'm sure you've picked up one thing about me because you're a blazer. When in doubt, throw on a blazer, babe. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm a bit worried about my Monday jeans because if you watch the first vlog, you'll know that it was very difficult to get into them. So I don't know how good an idea it is for me to wear them to work on a Monday, no less. Check out my Instagram at @Pumela__ to see how all of that goes. And yeah, the Sunday reset was good. I did not expect it to take all day. I thought I was gonna slip a nap in there, but yeah, I'm just going to, I guess, end the day off with just some journaling before bed. But other than that, the Sunday recharge was really great. It was, yeah, it was really lovely, man. Like, I mean, during the hike when we were going, I did not think about any of the Sunday scaries. I wasn't thinking about, oh my gosh, tomorrow's work, oh my word, whatever stressing me out, which is quite a lot of stuff. I didn't get to think about any of that because I was stressed about the hike, bitch. And I hadn't taken a bubble bath in so long. Like, I stayed taking showers because there's no time. So it was really lovely to be in a bubble bath. It was lovely to do that foot spa thing and like have my toes bubble away. It was really beautiful. It was lovely to chill with my family and just be ourselves, you know what I mean? Throw around banter, throw around jokes. We were just laughing the whole time. That was lovely. And of course, it was lovely catching up on the phone with my best friend, and it was also lovely to think about like what I'm going to wear because like I really do like looking good. I think it's something that I picked up that week where I was going. Like, I wasn't dressed like myself. Let me say that. Like, I was wearing flat shoes and stuff like that. And there's nothing wrong with wearing flat shoes. There's nothing wrong with wearing flat shoes to work. But that's not me. Like, that's not my personality. Like, I dress up. You know what I mean? Well, maybe not like dress up, but like I look nice. Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna wear heels, I'm gonna wear makeup, I'm gonna put on lashes, and I'm gonna show up every day. Do you know what I mean? But that week, like, even my hair was like, I wasn't myself. So me being able to put together my outfits and like making sure that I look good is really me being myself and being my best self, and I really do enjoy that. So yeah, all in all, I guess the first Sunday reset went well. I really did enjoy it. So yeah, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're watching to this point, wow, thank you. And catch me again next time in my next video. Do remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends. Comment down below. Don't comment in my DMs, okay? If you're gonna comment in my DMs, comment in my DMs and then comment down. Just comment, okay? Unama rights, please comment. But yeah, until next time, it's the hot girl doing hot girl things, and I'm out.